Papasok. Airport to eh. This is an airport area lang. 10 a.m. It's closed lab. Experience center. Oh. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Good morning.
Good morning.
I couldn't show my husband yet. He's getting dressed. Welcome to our channel. How are you doing? It's cloudy morning here in New South Wales. Okay. Here's my partner. Are you ready? Tiri! Good morning, vlog.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. We're going to dress up because I really need something today. We need to go out and buy this fruit. Hi! Where are you? Dun, 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 dun.
Okay.
There! Oh, say hi to the camera. I'm so small here. Don't jump lang. You don't need to jump. Just say hi. Hi to our vlog.
Hi.
So guys, click.
Press the thumbs up.
Thumbs up. For those that are new.
Subscribe.
And smash the button.
Smash the button.
Notification bell. Okay.
Yeah.
Where are we going today?
Going to the fruit shop.
Again, because
Yep.
you need to buy me
Papaya.
ripe papaya.
Ripe papaya.
Yeah, I'm having constipation.
Because she needs the pop.
I ate a lot of rice.
Yeah, too much rice.
Okay.
Rice is life.
Yeah. If some woman saying that eyebrow is live.
Eyebrow.
Yeah, because they're busy doing their eyebrows. Okay, say hi here.
Hi.
Okay. See you on the road.
Go driving.
Yeah, stay with us on this
Me
channel.
crazy.
Crazy drive.
Driving me crazy.
Look at the smile. Fake smile. Okay, vlog. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Stay with us. We're heading to the... Let's go.
Yeah.
Get into the car. I'll wear
Okay.
my shoes. I'm going to wear my shoes. What am I going to bring, my love? Just my eyeglasses,
You
right?
gotta bring your pesos.
Why? You get your card.
Huh?
I gotta take my... Ooh.
I don't know who that is.
That's a number? Don't answer. Kapag walang naka-register na ano sa tumatawag, hindi na sinasagot. Asan siya? I need my shoes. Kapag malamig dito, Diyos ko dahi, ang sapatos.
Oh, shoot.
Look at my shoes. Pangontra sa lamig. I just need to use a different sock. Judy starting to complain. Just a little dry. Look at my boots, Judy. Did you see them? Ready. So yes. Let's try to check first in Woolworths if there is hinog na papaya. Babe, I need to bring water just in case I get thirsty.
Did you get your
Ticket?
ticket?
Yeah, I already have it in my hand. We gotta check our ticket. Say hi now. We're going. Love, hold it. Love, hold it.
Huh? Is that better?
Siyempre. Oh, that's our neighbor. Okay.
You see that out before?
Maybe. Who cares anyway? It's not that. Ah, just could I. And here we are. We are a dreamer. We're walking. Oh, what's going on? I'm gonna grab your lap.
My ano?
The wallet.
What's my ano?
I'll go run. Huh?
I'll go.
I'll get it. I'll get it. Just stay there.
I'll drive down there.
Huh?
I'll drive
Oh, wait for me up there. Kasing... Ang tawag doon? Look, oh. Look at my foot. Ganyan ang ano dito. Pag malamig na. Hindi na uubra yung mga sneakers. Sandals. Check ko yung kukunin ko yung wallet. Uy! Ang galing ko na umakyat ng truck, guys. Sa totoo lang. Meron na naman akong magiging kaperahan. Mga naipon na Uroy. I found it. Tignan mo tong asawa ko. Yung mga pagkain na pinagbibigay ko sa kanya eh. Mang sinain. Meron kasi dito sa truck. Ay, Diyos ko, naipon na lahat ng pagkain. Skuday. Daming. Babe! Oh, that's Angela. Angela's back. Ang galing ko nang bumaba. Oops. Okay. Ayun! Angela! So this necklace is given by Angela. Hindi niya kasi kasya. So binigay niya sa akin. Hardly seen. Very thin. Okay. Ito na naman po kami driving. Saying is there was this tangerine or mandarin.
Mandarin. Yeah,
Yeah.
I like that, yeah.
I place it back inside the fridge,
Yeah.
and then I saw some strawberries.
Yes, it's my
Did
fridge
you
was
eat the
full.
watermelon or the?
No, that's in the fridge.
Yeah, it's there. The rockman. If you work tomorrow morning, I won't prepare any fruits for you.
No.
Okay. Ay. Magandang tulog, my guys. In the road. Hello, everyone. We're having a road trip again. So here, ang mga truck, ayan, mag-i-stay sa kaliwa. Ayan o. See that? May laman o wala ang truck. Dadaan dyan. Kasi there's a weighing bridge, i-check nila lahat. Swerte na lang ng truck kapag dinirect pabalik sa road. So meaning hindi siya papapasukan. Ayan o. Stop if directed. Ayan. How I wish may ganito sa Pinas. Ayan o, inspection bay. Yeah. Remain on highway. So that means no worker inside. Pero most of the time, ay naku, bukas siya. Tapos chinecheck lahat kung anong deflect nila sa truck. Tapos dyan lalabas. Ayan. Go back on highway. Back on highway. Sabi. Natignan niyo guys yung mga bahay-bahay dito. Decorates kasi dito sa area. So meaning, malalawak yung mga lupain nila. Hindi siya typical subdivision ng mga house. Maliit na area tapos bahay. Tapos katabi mo na yung kapitbahay mo. See that? Makulap po ngayon sa Sydney. Cloudy, overcast ang tawag nila dyan. It's very overcast. Ayan mga guys. O, diba? Kita nyo yung ulap? Tukot premo. Look at the sky lang. It's very dark.
It looks darker.
Yeah.
It looks darker on the phone than what it is.
Yeah. Because the camera is just so perfect. Uy, ganda oh! Diba? Pero di pa kami nakakagala. Minsan kami nakagala sa Sydney. Dinig niya ako naman. Madalas lang sa airport. There's a motorway again. Yan. But, yan, airport na yan. Tinatayong bagong airport. Ayan. Gala-gala. There's camera and yung cell side. Grabe no. The last time it was too sunny, my love. The sky sky was pretty clear. Now it's so dark. You're going to turn right.
No.
Yes.
Just gonna go down here.
Why? Why? The last time we went to the right.
Just gonna check.
The mail? We're going to copy.
No.
Okay.
No,
Well,
just go and stand
it's
here.
okay, my love.
That's alright.
You're my boss. You're the driver. See, I told you sometimes you're the boss only when I say so.
Oh.
Why? You don't believe me?
So yeah, I believe you.
Yeah, you're the boss.
You know what I also believe?
What?
It doesn't matter where a woman comes from, they all think the same. They're the boss.
Regardless of ethnicity, because of your previous. So who's the most bossy? Not me. I'm kind, my love. Medyo kibit. Wala na kayo makibit. What if dito ko kayo? May lipstick ako ngayon, no? Kunyari lang yan. The lipstick is just a fake color. Kailangan ko na magbunot na. Oy, bibili lang kami ng papaya eh. Now, he has another plan. We buy papaya later.
Gonna show you something, and for your viewers, subscribe.
Are you going to take me to the succulent shop?
The what?
Succulent shop?
No.
Oh, we're going to Radfield. Where are we going then?
Yeah. In 2 seconds you'll find out.
I surprises that. You love our viewers. Huh? You want to give them surprises. Western Sydney Airport. Oh. Oh. Ah, papasok. Airport to eh. This is an airport area, love. 10 a.m. It's closed, love. Experience Center. Oh. Okay, my husband is... Ayun na kasi yung tinata yung airport, guys. Oh. Pag yan na to.
Surprise!
See, thank you, my love. But it says they're still closed. Ah, yeah, it is because it says they're 10 a.m. What day is it today? Thursday?
What? There's the terminals?
Yeah.
Or
That's what,
some terminals that they're...
no, that's the... it's a
that
one-way.
they're building.
Ah, pinasok niya na. So kahit ginagawa pa yung ano, meron siyang parang visiting area where you can experience or able to see the future airport here. It's like a park, open park, but there's a certain hours during the day that it's open for public. Ganda, no? You can... We don't need to get out, love. We just need to drive slowly. I am actually capturing, bebe. Oh. Yeah. See, the bonsai. Yun lang ganda rito. Super western.
You can go inside there.
No need, love.
You don't want to go see the experience, like inside where we went to Warragamba?
No, there's no need because I am actually capturing. We're the only person here. Let's open it. I'll show you guys. I'll show you the airport, the Western Sydney Airport. Grabe ka mahal. Ang laki. How many acres?
Oh, thousands.
1,000 acres of land. Kala mo lang. Ayan ang magiging airport na, which will be open 24 hours a day. So meaning, ala na.
Oh, this is all these buildings here.
yan. Kasi dun sa Sydney, sa pinaka yung ginagamit ngayon ng airport, sa Mascot. That's Mascot. In Sydney.
Yes.
Yeah. Up till 10 p.m. or 12 midnight?
Look, you can see over there.
Which one?
You'll see there's a tanker going in, a ball tanker. Like what I
That
used to
one?
do. See
That one?
Yeah. See the truck going in? Do you like
That one.
Yeah, see the just to the, it's going
There?
into the, it's a concrete plant there.
This one, no? This one.
Yeah, that's a concrete plant.
Yeah, part yan na airport.
Mobile concrete plant.
So that means Boral put up they're planting there. Yeah. See, lawak mo. And that's the airport pa, oh. Kasi sa main airport nila sa Sydney, pag abot ng haping gabi yata, ala na, no fly zone. So, tapos magi-start na lang ulit ng umaga. Kaya kadalasan doon ang mga flight, mga palapag ng Sydney.
Sige.
Sydney, umaga na kasi sa gabi pa lang nasa ere, bawal nga ng midnight. During night time, there's no plane allowed to fly
After 10:30.
After 10:30 pala, hindi lang pala midnight.
Oh no, we got locked in.
You sure? Are you sure? Was it where we entered? Ay, galing ah. Automatic yung ano ah. Kanina bukas to eh. Thank you. Imagine, may park pero walang bayad. If it's in the Philippines, love, you gotta pay. I'm telling you ah. You love our viewers na lang. Oh, see, this is where we went. Western Sydney International Airport Experience
But
Center.
we didn't go in and have the experience.
It's okay, my love.
I wanted to see the experience.
Oh, let's go back again.
Too late now, I'm gone. You missed out.
How can you experience that? They're still doing it. So it's like there's a museum inside? No.
It's like a display inside the
Yeah.
what it's going to be and once it's fully finished and what they're doing.
We can still go back. Don't worry.
My wife's tummy is more important. You know what they say about a Filipina's tummy?
Oh.
If it's empty, she's cranky.
Oh my God. You have a lot of beliefs in your life. How did you know that experience center?
It's got the sign up on the road.
Ayan, punta na kaya. Punta na tayo lahat na. Diyan muna kayo ulit guys. Pakibit-kibit lang kasi wala pa akong GoPro. Ganyan-ganyan muna tayo mga my guys. Nangawit na ang aking kamay. Oh, they're driving too fast. Babe, your truck trailer, is it this high? No? A bit high.
Yeah, it's about the same. Yeah, definitely.
About the same? But what does it carry?
That one's rubbish.
So those like crates couldn't get in there, like what you do with your other clients. Why the cemetery is just little, my love? Not even
Because it's from the old days.
and they stopped burying on that side. Now I know why. So this is a public school.
Yeah, look how little, it's only little.
Yeah. I think. Oh, this is the shop. Ah,
It's
we're here.